ask you about this Elegance Educare, what it is all about.
Right, so basically Allegiance Educare started with a career counseling company now, but we have built an online career guidance platform. So as I mentioned before, it's an end-to-end career guidance platform, right from, the help of psychometric tests, right from choosing the right career till choosing the right college, details about the career, etc. So we are trying to create an end-to-end platform.
So, how it is different from others? Like there are many more.
Yes. So there are many other career counseling companies out there, but we have concentrated more on the algorithm, the accuracy of the test, because that is the core of the business. All the other things are secondary, like the marketing, branding, etc. But the core of this business is the accuracy of the test. It's been more than 4 or 5 years we have developed our own algorithm, right? It's a dynamic, robust platform which we have developed, and the algorithm accuracy we've concentrated more on that. Secondly, there are more than 500 careers which the algorithm calculates more than 5,000 combinations of. So that is what we have more concentrated on, and that is our USP, where we stand out from our competitors.
So, as in during this pandemic, there are many difficulties come to all this business, right? So, is it so you have gone through such things?
Correct, right. So look, not just businesses, everyone was affected by the pandemic. Initially, everyone was in a state of confusion. So not just career counseling business, in general, about education in general was, a big question mark.
Right.
Exams कब होंगे या कब क्या होएगा, right? So career counseling भी affect हुआ था, right? But I mean after 2020, 2021 was good for us, So it's slowly picking up. But still there are challenges because still, this NEET exam keeps on postponing. All these exams keep on postponing. So स्टूडेंट्स अभी भी कन्फ्यूजन में रहते हैं, उसकी वजह से बिजनेस अफेक्ट होता ही है इन जनरल. सो इफ वी आर एटलीस्ट वी in a normal situation we would be making at least 2x 3x what we are making now, but things are picking up.
So in this career counseling, what are the major things which comes through student to you? Will you like to share something?
The inquiries
As well as the problems, the most of the problems.
Right. So look, as I mentioned before, also there are two category of students. One is students who are already aware of what they want to do. They are just confused and how to get into that career. In that case, the test is not a requirement. We connect them to an industry expert or a mentor just to guide them about that career. The second type of students who are completely confused what career to choose. In that case, it is important for them to take the test, because with the help of the test, first we shortlist down to 10-15 careers, and then the counseling takes place where we try to shortlist down to one particular career, etc. So these two kinds of student, one is student who already know which career to get into. For them, a mentoring session is conducted. The second kind of students who are completely confused and who are willing to explore other careers. In that case, the whole career counseling process takes place.
Thank you.
Thanks.